This Made in Nevada report is about one family improving the way we grow gardens, houseplants, and grass across Nevada. The proof is in the results. Now, last fall, Full Circle Soils and Compost owner and manager Cody Witt gave me a tour of his composting facility and garden in South Carson City.
So this is our Full Circle Compost test garden. This is what it's all about. When you focus on all the nutrients, you get tomatoes this big, producing 100 pounds of tomatoes per plant right here in Nevada.
Crazy.
And we just grab big tomatoes just like this one. Whoa! These are all different types of heirloom tomatoes. Got potatoes, we've got peppers, we got cucumbers, squash, different types of amaranth and giant zucchetta squashes. Whoa! You can grow big gardens in Nevada if you focus on compost, organic matter, and soil health and all the nutrients that food needs. So this here at Full Circle, this is all of our organic materials that we compost. These materials come from all over the state. It's a wonderful program to keep materials, organic materials, out of the landfill. Right here in front of us, we have a bunch of pine needles. This is the pine needle recycling program for Incline Village in South Lake Tahoe. So as people rake up pine needles up at the lake, they come down here to get recycled rather than go to the landfill. These are one of our ingredient items into our compost. Then we'll also have a bunch of woody materials. This could be logs or branches, a lot of forestry materials, the materials that they're pulling out to stop forest fires that they want to pull out of the forest. We'll grind it up. That'll be another ingredient item. Then we'll have grass clippings, leaves, and landscape materials from mostly from the city of Carson. We'll take all of this, blend it up together in gigantic piles, get it wet, and then they start to cook. These piles will cook from anywhere for 3 months to 6 months, naturally at 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and we'll run it through different pieces of equipment to make actual compost. And this is the final product. You can't tell what it is. That's the key with compost, is it shouldn't you shouldn't be able to know what it was originally. We do site-specific soil fertility. We blend in a bunch of minerals and nutrients specific to Nevada soil health. So we also have a Verma composting operation here. This is where we feed most of the food waste. The worms eat all of the food waste, and then you can get wonderful worm castings to add to soil products. And then we also get a liquid off of the worm bin that we use as a probiotic for your plants.
Full Circle Soils and Compost makes 11 main soil-enhancing products, but the options jump to near 40 when custom products are included. We traveled to the Greenhouse Garden Center in Carson City, 3.5 miles away at 2450 South Curry Street, to talk with the owner about what he thinks of these Made in Nevada products.
We recommend Full Circle Compost often to a lot of people because of the qualities that it has, plus it is native.
The University of Nevada, Reno hires Full Circle Soils and Compost to care for the quad. This is the result of the custom soil blend, lush green grass. Getting to this point in the family business is over 150 years in the making. Cody Witt's great-great-great-grandfather, Heinrich Godeck, otherwise known as Big Henry, moved from Germany to the Carson Valley around 1892 and purchased some dairy cows. Around 1920, the family launched the Milky Way Dairy Farm. Then, in the mid-1980s, Cody's father, Craig Witt, started composting to use the abundance of natural fertilizers their 400 cows produce.
It caught on. People started buying it. We started selling it locally.
The Witt family started a composting side business in 1997.
We were the first composting site in the state. When we first started, there was no permit to have a composting operation, so we actually had to work with the state of Nevada and the EPA to create a composting permit because nobody had one.
In 2006, the family dairy farm was sold to shift entirely to composting in Carson City. Yearly sales now reach $2.5 to $3 million a year. One company transforming Nevada's dry, rocky soil, one customer at a time.
Made in Nevada.
And for a list of places you can buy Full Circle soil and composting products, and for the company's website to learn about their other services and products, go to kolotv.com and click on this online report. There's